project, which is glucose. Living things rely on glucose, a fundamental chemical in biochemistry and biology, as their principal energy source. Glucose, with the chemical formula C6H12NO6, is a monosaccharide and a simple sugar. Its essential function in living processes can be better understood by delving into its molecular structure and biological importance.
Hi, today I'm going to talk about the molecular framework. A crucial carbohydrate in metabolic pathway is glucose. The hexose sugar with 6 carbon atoms, also known as exotic in its framework. Because it has an aldehyde functional group, negative CH on one end of the molecule, it is categorized as an aldehyde sugar. Differentiating glucose from other groups, including hydrolysis, which has the type 1 living state, is this structural. The fact that glucose exists in various isomeric steps is an interesting feature of the compound. The two main forms of glucose, which is D-glucose and N-glucose, are sometimes synonymous, meaning they are liver units of carbon. As a general term, glucose refers to D-glucose, which is the most frequent type in biological system. The importance of D-glucose in metabolic processes is shown by the activity of biological molecules, including enzymes. That's all for me.
Hello, my name is Siti Zubaidah. My number metric is 81252, and today I will talk about the biology of glucose. Glucose is essential for many biological processes. Cellular respiration relies on glucose as an energy source. The process of glycolysis involves the breakdown of glucose into pyruvate while simultaneously creating ATP. Glucose is an essential component of bigger carbs and has a secondary function in energy metabolism. Starch and cellulose, two building blocks of plants' cell walls, are both produced by the polymerization of glucose molecule in plants. Animals have already supply of energy in the form of glycogen, which is stored in the muscles and liver. So the fact that almost every living things, from bacteria to people, use glucose as a fuel source demonstrates how adaptable it is. Essential macromolecules like nucleotides, amino acid, and fatty acid are formed through its involvement in multiple biosynthetic pathways. So, glucose is a basic fuel and its precursor in biosynthesis, and its extensive utilization demonstrates this. Thank you.
My name is Nurul Ain Syazwani binti Fauzi, and my metric number is 8026. Okay, in this video, I will explain about the physical characteristic glucose, focusing on its structure and behavior in biological system. Structure of glucose. Actually, glucose consists of several carbon atoms linked to hydroxyl, or we know as negative OH groups. A 6 carbon atom linked to hydroxyl group and the arrangement of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. For the pyranose ring from glucose, in water-based solution, glucose primarily exists in a ring form. The interaction between the aldehyde and hydroxyl group form a 6-membered ring called a pyranose ring. It includes label for the carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. For the solubility and hydrogen bonding interaction of glucose in water, glucose is highly soluble in water due to its hydroxyl group, which allows it to participate in multiple hydrogen bonding interaction. It depicts glucose molecule interacting with water molecule through hydrogen bond, highlight the hydroxyl group on the glucose molecules, and how they form hydrogen bond with water molecules. The solubility of glucose is crucial for its role as an energy source and metabolic intermediary. It can be easily transported and distributed across biological system. To summarize, glucose fructose allow it to form a stable ring, engage in hydrogen bonding, and be highly soluble. making it vital for energy and metabolism in living organisms.
Hi, I'm Magrina. So I'm going to describe about the glucose roles in living things. So in living things, glucose is essential for numerous processes. So blood glucose level are controlled by two hormones, insulin and glucagon. While insulin promotes glucose uptake into cells and glucagon synthesis, glucagon promotes glycogen breakdown and glucose release from the liver, leading to an increase in blood glucose. In photosynthesis, while using energy from sunshine, plants transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This process is known as glucose synthesis. Plants rely on glucose as a building block for cellulose and starch, two essential components for structural integrity and energy storage. The process of photosynthesis allows plants to produce glucose, which is essential for their own metabolic processes as well as those of herbivores and, by extension, higher trophic levels.
In summary, glucose is an essential chemical that is involved in many metabolic processes, structural maintenance, and energy production. The biological importance of this compound is supported by its molecular structure, which consists of 6 carbon atoms and an aldehyde functional group. Glucose is essential for life since it provides energy, is a component of bigger carbs, and may be used as fuel when needed. As a molecule that supports and promotes the diversity of life on Earth, glucose have